Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to set up parental controls for a particular account. Parental control helps when they are children to restrict them to some particular things like the time they play games is limited or even block specific programs. This is how to do it. Click on the Start menu to open the search box. Type in Control Panel and click on it. Located where it's written User Accounts and Family Safety and click on it. Search where it's written Set up parental controls for any user and click on it. It should be below Parental Controls. You will have to select among the users in your computer for which you want to set parental controls. Now you will be seeing different actions you can set. All you have to do is to choose among the given options, and after you have finished selecting your options, then click on OK to save your options. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.